Earning extra cash with Grubhub in Canada is simpler than you think. Let's dive right into the sign-up process. First, head to the Grubhub Driver website. A quick Google search for Grubhub Driver Canada will get you there. Look for the big sign up button and give it a click. You'll be asked for basic info: your name, email address, phone number, and the city you plan to deliver in. Accuracy is key, so double-check everything. Next, select your delivery method. Whether you're cruising in a car, cycling, or scooting, pick the option that fits your ride. Get ready to upload some documents. A valid driver's license, if applicable, and proof of insurance are usually required. Make sure the images are clear and easy to read. Grubhub will also run a background check for safety reasons. You'll need to authorize this step. Read the terms carefully before agreeing. You'll need to enter your banking information to receive payments. Provide your account and routing numbers accurately to avoid any delays. Once approved, download the Grubhub Driver app, log in, and get ready to start accepting orders. And that's all there is to it.